How's it going? So today I have to install this spoiler I bought for the EF. It's bolt-on per se, but it's not. When you mount it on, it doesn't fit immediately. There's a few tweaks that I have to do. So let me just get to it. Alright, so here's the EF and there's the spoiler that we have to put on. So that one's supposed to go into this, and it doesn't quite fit because of this light. It's supposed to slide over, but I need to tweak on this part a little bit because it doesn't quite fit. So I might have to cut a little bit so that it can go around this, or just remove the light altogether. Either or, it's gonna have to take some tweaking. Here, let me show you guys. So it's supposed to go on like that, but as you can see, it doesn't fit all the way. So let me take that off and let's work on it. So I kind of broke these little tabs that go right here. As you can see, I pretty much broke all of them, which I'm not too concerned. It's got screws, so whatever. It is what it is. Let's get this inside and see if we can start fitting that on. My very messy shop. So what I think I'm gonna do is, because as you can see, it's like popping it up because of this bumper here. This is where the brake light goes. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line it up right here, notch this a little bit so that it can sit in, and then that way these can line up. These were bent by the previous owner, the guy I bought this spoiler from. He mounted it without the original spoiler, and I had another EF where it's not a good idea. It's not sturdy at all, so don't do it like that. I'm gonna do the extra work this time so I can actually make sure it seats good. So yep. So, kind of eyeballed, where the lines are at. So I think I'm just gonna start cutting a little bit, and little by little, just until I get to a shape that I actually want. I don't want to cut too much because then I'm gonna regret it, and I'm probably gonna be pissed off. So let me just start cutting. So first cut, obviously not enough, but yeah, I'm gonna keep trimming it out, and my goal is to get it so that these edges are flush right here, and that this is like right up against the light, so that there is as much of a seal as possible, and that way when I put the double-sided tape on both sides, it's like nice. So let me just keep working on this. All right, so I mean, I have no idea what I'm doing. All right, so obviously right now I made the first cut. It's obviously not enough, but the goal is that it is flush so that I can put some double-sided tape on both the top and the bottoms so that it is as sealed as possible. That way I'm not too worried that I'm driving and air is going to get in there, it's just going to fly off or something. I had another EF, a wagon actually, and I put a similar spoiler on it, but I just threw it on there without the original lip, and I had there was a few close calls. So I don't want to do that again. That is the reason I am going to go through the headache of trying to make this fit as good as possible. Not perfect, but as good as possible. I got it to be flush now. Now it's pretty much where it's supposed to go. The edges where they're supposed to go. And this is where I'm at right now. I still have to trim a little bit more. So you can see right there, just so it can be really nice and flush. But as you can see, it's way better than it was. I did screw up. Oh well, it is what it is. I mean, I still have a piece right here actually. I might glue that back in there. But whatever, it is what it is. Yeah, because I just wanted it to go down and be flush, so that where the line is, like, so I could glue it right there. But so far so good. So here we go. This is where we're at. I feel like this is gonna be as much as I cut for now. I might do some tweaks in the future, but the spoiler fits in here really nicely, and I am able to get it flush over here. So it is time to start setting down the tape. I went to get a roll of double-sided tape and a bunch of these, and let me show you what these are for. So like I said earlier, the previous owner drilled the ends and just put some bolts right into the car, but he didn't put this guy, so it was just like clamping down, and it twisted the crap out of the ends. I don't think the video can pick it up, but they're pretty bent, so I am going to use those to clamp them down to these and heat it up a little bit. This is plastic. It's not fiberglass, it's actually plastic, so putting some heat should help it, you know, bend back and mold to the shape. So I'm gonna do that right now. Let's start cleaning this thing up and putting some tape. I barely caught myself. I was about to screw up really bad. So here's the thing, I wasn't able to take off the brake light from the car because of I didn't want to fish out the whole harness. I can, but I didn't want to. So I'm gonna go install the OEM spoiler back on, and once it's installed, then I will clean it up real good and install the other spoiler. Yeah, I almost screwed up pretty bad. Alright, I put it back on. I didn't want to record it. I was just putting it back on, so lights on. Alright, so now we can actually start trying to mount the wing on this. So now let me try to clean it up and get it ready. Set, ready to, all the tape's put on, everything's cleaned. I guess the only thing there is to do is see how bad I've messed this up. Alright, let me try. Alright, so there it is mounted. Put it on pretty quick. I put these clips on there. Like I said, the wing's a little bit warped. So, oh shoot, I've been using a little bit of heat to heat it up and then clamp it into place. So far everything looks good. And then I don't know if you can see the light. Here, let me get the flashlight. So then, as you can see, the flat brake light is still completely functional. So yeah, I might add some screws here with some like beauty covers or whatever, just to make it look better. But overall, it's on there. Seems good. Car looks nice too. You can't really tell right now, but probably in the morning, I'll once it gets light, I'll do another video. But yeah, it looks good. I like it.
8 hours later.
So here it is, installed. It's on there. I'm still gonna put some screws here, but check it out. I think it looks pretty good. Turned out pretty decent. Looks starting to take shape. But yeah, the car looks good. I like it so far. You know, it's come a long way since I got this car. Little things really changed the whole look of the car. But yeah, really happy with how this turned out. Oh yeah, and let me show you the light. Let me show you the light. See, the light is still there, fully functional. So don't have to delete it. But yeah. So that's gonna be it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, comment, whatever. Let me know what else you want me to do to this car. I have a lot of plans for this car. One of them is a engine swap. I'm gonna do a single cam for now. Currently still grabbing some parts for the engine, but soon I should start putting that back together. But yeah, but for now that's gonna be it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.